Upesa usua de wa brochi. Upesa unya scholarship. Upesa unya visa. Nanso unim kwan ya befa so a obeye ni nyina. No problem. Tobo na mencho. Your friend say cast like video na share na comment. Na mencho kwan ya befa so abetimi enya scholarship. Wan kasa obeye application no. Wa bra won use agent bia. Mba be tro ekwan 1 2 3 4 a obetimi afa so a obeye ni easy bibia betom. Into no tobo na yen taking step by step. Your friend say cast nem kan no. Mission ade e was scholarship so e America. Me kan enya scholarship e ko Canada ena maba US anom so a mission ade. Nti I know the process and meet me actual. Yenkwe. Number 1 edi kan I say we and say e was say ukọ Google. Ukọ Google sisi na kobo fully funded program in ABA nursing. Fully funded program in ABA, yemfa say ABA chemistry, ABA engineering, ABA communication. Program bia wo pesa we no. Mesi ko Google men use ChatGPT and men use AI. O ko Google na o boshe mo a ebe ma school ni din na ma the location of the school no enti e ma wa school no nyina na ebeba in different categories enti ne o pe no na wa click eno no so o click so a eho e na oba be take step number 2 na step number 4 no e hu hia pa enti patch pay attention to number 4 no eno e na betimi abo mo wenya scholarship no tie ni number 2 ni say o click school ne so a mba ma oniama miensa ese wo hwe se ubenya scholarship ana unya scholarship a wankasa no ubehu ubenya unya you yourself you will know enti tie point number 2 no say hwehwe program no requirement yemfa say ABA your communication ena ABA yemfa say wenya University of Alabama yemfa say ABA wenya University of Kentucky yemfa say ABA wenya Ohio University and any other university bia ope bia no click so e wo Google no mo o click so wia program no called the program requirement your admission requirement and your funding requirement. For now you focusing on the program no the requirement no ABA include SOP my videos about SOP ABA include transcript ombesa ka say ABA fa CV bra my all those videos then na won hwe ya hwe me page so e wa hanom say ukọ me YouTube channel no so a e honom so say Ericas ana Ericas ubenya that video no so e wo honom me say niama na omoye ombebisa as a requirement no ombe listening nyina ewo program na ase ubehu nti obebisa bi CV SOP ana say bi obeka say for recommendation bra all those videos ni ma ye ni nyina how obesi aye no ubetro no ma ye ni nyina o me page so nti you share that video no ubenya. Number 2 so we hear any help bia now the comment say I need help me send that video no e dey amo ana say emoye bia wo hear nchechemu bia no metimi aboa a comment e ya no e dey amo. Number 3 wabra wo hwe requirement no ade ba ko so ehu hia pa se wo san hwe biom ene se hwe se program no who is the coordinator, who is the program coordinator. Every program bia say US or say Canada or say bia o pese wonya admission ko bia no every university bia no program bia no omo de ahye one specific person nsa sa nipa no ono ye o savior sa nipa no ono ene betimi ama scholarship they take the decision omo no mu decide say way application no eye way dey enye way dey solid before they present to the committee. Because you say this week here 1 2 3 people ene betimi abo omo aye this same process this program coordinators no akacha omo say funded wo ho into omo apply to the program into no eye program coordinators ne be decide who fit omo no be decide who face obenya scholarship and awunya scholarship obenya admission and awunya the admission enti no be won say obi ho no mo an CGPA ni 2.1 obi ho no mo ni 2.5 obi dey 3.0 but we nya admission because we build rapport, we build good relationship with the professor no me see tie ni kwan ya obefa so obeye admission process no eno na mecha we self assessment enti no so we ye na obenya. Number 3 me say number 4 na ye number 3 tie. Now the third thing me pesa we say and say chro the program coordinator no chro ni din me say den chro ni din na chro ni email address chro ni din na chro ni email address na chro ni portfolio say oye doctor and say oye professor chro anaupa chro ni din ni keke na fabra because sometimes if you don't know ni pano ni gender no one address ni here and also got to my professor ni bufu obi no some be sending email be because some draft email but I mentioned before and I was sending and I watch missed and I say come on delete it, don't put anything that no your address it will be with gender because obi wo no ma oye bema but ebi oye oba obi wo no ma oye oba but oye bema me professors ebi no mo asa no mote enti se wonim na se wo friend Mr. no onye Mr. no kra no wa hye na bufu what I say. So these are some of the things me say number 4 no na eye key full video no e wo me YouTube page bamodea na hwe say Ericas me page no me YouTube page in screenshot na me dey ato no no bamodea na YouTube na hwe the full video no me say number 4 na beboa. So the fourth thing I know so ehu hia pa say we ne say bamodea say obehwe the department one no other professors or mo ho no every school university be an say communication say chemistry say mathematics say education that particular school no ukọ the department website all the faculty members omo ho nyina no be hu omudin obehu omo research interest obehu omo publications ni nyama hodo ma ye ni nyina you see all those things there should be because sometimes who email program coordinator and they don't respond on time or sometimes it is those faculty members no and no omu here teaching assistant omu here research assistant omu here administrative assistant and it's a when to me I email that particular person no na woni na ankasa you will lose out ube lusu enti ne say wo ye ne say even though ube fa the program coordinator no ni email ni bibia other faculty members or more department one no say wo fa omo omo details because omo so ebetimi ayeden aboa obi wo no ma or conduct research bi ohia teaching assistant ana ebia ohia research assistant me check sure say dey we nyina no kwan ya obefa so be enya ade be ehu enye den eye easy say obetimi aye teaching assistant adwuma no wa ha no ye kirewo ne ya wakọkire nkwala no ye bedin ka kirewo ansa na wo so akọkire wo ye research assistant eye professor na betro say ye we enya ade be edin administrative assistant enye den wo print emails wo ye photocopies wo send email enwa enya ade be eye den eye easy be say wo betumi ayeden aye ye friend me say cast but more than say we be share video no be like na comment but plus sign so na follow me channel no na yentumi ending komo the final thing am person me catch us see and say wo gada sa ade we nyina awia email me and I say send me DM na catch them say I am ready me guide do onya ye we nyina awia catch them say I am ready me guide do get it right you can do it like a video na comment na share famo bi save video if famo unua ebeboa no pa say one thing nyina se na so san hia mo bia na but more than say obetimi asend me DM me respond e dey am get it right you can do it too.